Hi, I'm Ariel from Dusun. Robot vision, as the eyes of robots, gives robots visual perception abilities, replacing human eyes in measurement and judgment. Its core functions include recognition, measurement, positioning, and detection, playing a significant role in fields like industrial automation. With the development of AI algorithms, the progress of robot vision has been propelled forward. This video provides a deep dive into how AI technology influences the development of robot vision. Deep learning makes machine vision more intelligent. Through deep neural network models, it accomplishes functions such as image classification and object detection, breaking through the limitations of traditional machine vision and improving the accuracy of object and facial recognition. Reinforcement learning technology enables robots to learn autonomously, enhancing abilities such as scenario simulation and optimizing path planning. With the support of big data and increased computing power, the cost of robot vision technology has decreased, leading more companies to adopt AI technology to enhance their product competitiveness. Dusun IoT provides enterprises with customized SBC for robotic vision applications, based on several AI computing system on module from Rockchip and NXP, such as the RK3588 and RK3568. We have mature hardware design capabilities and integrate production research to help enterprises bring products to market quickly. Contact us to learn more.